Evaluating nuclear reactor renovation versus replacement for U.S. energy policy. Introduction. Nuclear energy has many different advantages and disadvantages that are important to consider to understand its long-term impact on the state of nature and the economy. Built in the 1970s, the fleet of nuclear reactors has a lifespan of 40 years, meaning decisions must be made to shut them down or continue operating after repairs. Many of the facilities have submitted appropriate applications to extend their operating life for another 20 years, which makes the issue of considering this case relevant for the Nuclear Regulatory Commission, NRC. As a member of the NRC, I would decide to extend the operation of existing reactors with their complete renovation and modernization. This decision is influenced by a set of factors that must be taken into account to form a more objective picture of the situation. Key factors influencing the vote. From an economic point of view, upgrading existing reactors can be a profitable solution since the construction of new plants is expensive and will require a significant mobilization of resources. Calculation of the long-term sustainability of such a project can be based on what measures will need to be taken in the future to preserve and maintain the reactor. In addition, the safety factor for employees and the environment is essential when making a decision. According to Skalozubov et al., when restoring reactors, if all standards are adopted and observed, safety and sustainability are further determined by the approach to the renovation process. It will be necessary to create a comprehensive project that considers all stakeholders and accurately forecasts the future operation of the fleet. Current reactors versus new construction versus nuclear retirement. Using current reactors instead of building new ones makes much more economic sense. Abandoning nuclear energy is also not an optimal solution since this source does not harm the environment and, at the same time, produces a significant amount of energy. Clean energy production is a priority when considering energy extraction problems. Thus, by restoring the regular operation of the reactors, it will be possible to achieve more significant results in all directions. This strategy will save money while strengthening the United States energy industry. Other alternatives are not practical enough to implement as they require significant investment or revision of existing sources in the event of reactor closures. Global perspectives on nuclear energy. Many other countries, such as China, Japan, France, and Germany, use nuclear energy. An overwhelming number of countries, such as China and France, are planning to develop further strategies for the development of the atomic energy sector. Germany aims to significantly reduce its dependence on this source in a phased manner. This is reflected in the gradual reduction in the percentage of energy from reactors, which is consistent with the principles of least harm to the environment and meets the growing needs of the population. Japan's policy is most distinctive in this context because of an accident at one of its plants. Instead, the country is actively transitioning to wind turbines, which are safer in the long term. Germany has the best plan for the development of nuclear energy as it aims to reduce its dependence on it gradually. This could have a positive impact on the country's future capabilities and contribute to the establishment of better and safer methods. Conclusion. In conclusion, the United States should renovate existing reactors because building new ones is too resource-intensive and could also lead to increased dependence on this source. Nuclear energy is one of the cleanest means of generating electricity today. It does not harm the environment, however, it may pose a threat to people in case of mistakes or emergencies. In this regard, many countries are beginning to implement policies to transition to more sustainable types of energy production.